quickly want to pass this message to Monica, Iyore, and Lolo. And before I pass this message, those of now when they say I big pass this one, oh God, you big pass this one, we used to respect you. I beg, keep your respect. Keep your respect. Past, they're not the big pass past. They're not the big pass where you from they come. If you say that the big pass where you from they come, we all for not get village. You will say, we don't big pass our village. We for not get parent because we don't big pass our parent. We don't reach past them. We don't educate past them. Past is always part of you. That is why be careful how you treat small pikin when it's small, because if he grow, he not go ever forget her. So I see myself as a child when they treated me as if I have no future. Now I have the future in my hand. I can do whatever I want to do with it. So that is by the way. Monica, listen and listen very good. You not get friend though. You not get friend. You not get single friend. The only friend when you get now your children and your husband. But you think you have the whole world. No. And why you dey happy say you get friend, even the one wey fight you before, if you come back you go dey happy, yes, he don't come back to me. No, because your character is bad. So you want to have everybody to yourself even when they are bad friends. If your character is good, you don't need to accept everybody into your life. Reason why I granted Iyore interview now because of you, and the next person I will grant interview now will be Lolo, but not be this year. And why they grant the interview including Enoje? Now because they were once with you. They were once with you. They did not tell you the right thing you should be doing. They did not correct you with love as a friend. No, anybody when you they fight with, they will join you fight the person. You they happy. Lolo, if waiting make Monica not give up the time we supposed give up for my matter, waiting make Monica not calm down beg the time we supposed beg. Now Lolo na in react past Monica for my matter. Now Lolo insult her generation past even Monica. Then Monica know they talk, but if you want to talk, they will talk to me directly. Lolo will set ring lights. Lolo will talk as I take be houseboy. Lolo even talk so they will talk about my children. Even self, I not swear for Monica, but I swear for Lolo. People say I not be say I swear for her. I swear for Lolo. Not be say I go any shira. I use my own swear for Lolo. So that is to show the level of bad friends you have. Now let's go to Iyore. Iyore has never been my friend. Nobody can produce a video where Iyore talk good about me in all circumstances. No. My wife will come, Iyore will talk bad. This person will come, Monica, Iyore will attack me. But I just look and say, who be Iyore again when me and one come they make video for? If I really want to dwell in my level, I talk with governor, president. I talk with the government. I criticize them. I put things right. If something is not going well in Edo State, I talk to the Oba. So that is my level, but I did all level. So I don't have any reason. I repeat, I don't have any reason. Iyore would have been the least person I would say, how are you? Fine. Okay, or invite me, I go. No. But the way Iyore not even tell Monica the truth, I say, okay, now Iyore they come, even though I don't know why she's calling me. I know, say, for Iyore to pass through somebody. Listen, Iyore did not come to me direct. You know why? He shit for market. Iyore no say she's shit for market. She not contact me direct. She have to contact me through somebody who claimed to be my daughter. I don't even know her, in Spain. Daddy, hey, my mommy want to talk to you. Blah, blah, blah. I laugh. I never know what, but Iyore say I will advise women concerning what I said one time about women. Want me to advise women. I even say, oh, for Iyore when they insult me, to now they daddy me, mommy me, then something is wrong somewhere. Let's go there. I never knew it's Monica, but getting to know it's Monica, I say, wow, God don't scatter these people again for my matter. Iyore, when Iyore was your friend, he not tell you what is right. You dey happy, Monica. When Lolo be your friend, Lolo na scatter you. Now Lolo finish Monica. Monica not good until he met Lolo. Truth be told, Monica is not good. And if you know Monica very well, Monica na good person. Na 50-50, he not good, he not still bad. But na Iyore, na Lolo, sorry, na Lolo finish Monica. All of Nasia that they hide down. Now Lolo finish Monica. Lolo is a rotten mango. Person when don't spoil before, you can't they teach and batting again. I made them finish Monica because Monica not very good. The 50% when remain, Lolo finish her. So Iyore, when you be friend with Monica, did you advise Monica? No. You make so many videos against me. See, if I wanted to grant a genuine interview about Monica, na TV station, powerful one, or I will write a book. But why they grant interview to people when we are not expect? Because they were once with Monica and even insulting their generation, not me. When I granted the interview to Inoje, people say, oh God, you bring yourself down. No, I know what I'm doing. Now people they come and say, oh God, Iyore, I know what I'm doing. Now Monica, you don't have friends. The best friend you may have is a friend who will talk to your enemy on your behalf. Yes. The best friend of any person, the reasonable friend of any person, even when you tell am say, don't talk to him, leave him, I can't do nothing, he will pass behind, he will say, Swagalicious daughter, I beg, this problem between you and my friend, how we will do and what is the way forward? Even everybody when you gather you, Monica, no one be your friend. I repeat it again. Now your children and your husband, I be your friend. Because nobody don't call me or call you, say, Monica, what actually happened? Let's see how we can settle it. Monica, let me tell you, I said it before, and I'm saying it again. My things when you carry, my money still dey your hand, my things dey your hand. And all the nonsense when you use me to do, when you will be want me to sleep with you, you took advantage of me. You will return all my things. And the worth of the money then will be the worth of the money now when you will bring for me. It dey your hand, a euro I give you, euros now I give you. Then when you return of me, you will apologize to me. The case will be closed forever, forever. Otherwise, every year, every two years, anybody when you can they quarrel, making they contact me. But this year now I'm not going to grant any interview because the one when I grant now it go last like 6 months again. So I know the lie made the matter they calm down like that. Once if they calm down, I go refresh them. So now next year, Lolo, you can contact me next year. I will grant interview or any other person, but it should be next year. This one when I grant now it will last for another 6 months or 4 months, which is throughout this year. Now so I go dey do am. I go dey remind them of waiting you do me. If you say na like go swear juju, now me don't call you for 2 places. I call you for Ayelala, you don't go. Then summon you paper, you receive paper for whole land here. You know honor. I summon you for Ogwamba. They even say they want swear. Say many of your summon they here when you know the response. Say make they not swear. I want make you use your mouth talk. Waiting happen no before you swear. Now so they take the swear, then we'll hear from you, hear from me. If we say na lie, we'll not swear. They not just they carry swear anyhow. So now so I go they do. Anybody when they say, oh God, I used to respect you, I beg, keep your respect to yourself. Take it. I don't need your respect. People when una the respect for this whole world, are they responsible? Just name one person when una the respect if he dey responsible. Now VDM the rain. Is VDM a responsible person? Upon the nonsense when VDM they do, should be no woman when you never fight. Should be not see the respect. I don't want to be like them, but I just want to let you know that respect not help anybody. Now the respect when I give to myself, now it be respect, not be the one when you give me. You understand? So as far as I'm concerned, Monica, now me still like you pass all your friends. Why? Because I have what it takes to destroy you. Because you have my money and my property with you. But I won't do that. How many years now? Now matter I see they talk. Even where I summon you, they say they want swear. I say make them not swear until they hear from you. Monica, you don't have friend. You don't have friend. A friend that will say, how do we go? What do we do? How can we resolve this? Now be your friend. And you think say not just social media something I want to gain view. You know, say me, I the reign before you. And I'm not in competition with anybody. I know they look for view. It's something I wish to they do you until it tire you. And if it tire you, you know what to do. If it tire you, you break my things, come back. If it tire you, that is it. If you never hear from me, nothing say I don't keep quiet. Until you settle me, I know they keep quiet. And I know go grant interview to even normal person for your matter. Now those yeah people when you first gather before, now I go they grant interview to. God bless you viewers and have a wonderful day. Make I go fetch my money. People gather you. Now you they tell the talk say person girlfriend. That's your only friend. Now friends you get. You know say Lolo for saga you. You know say many people even you know J for saga. You know say even Iyore you time for saga. And now you know go still dey careful with the rest one when they still gum you now. Until they go still call me say abeg how you see her that year. I go still explain to them how I see her now. If you say na lie, me you go swear. Now how I see I no dey lie against you. How I see am o. If they pay me, wetin you do to me and my property, still they pay me, but I no go swear for you. This one I they do you pass swear. The one when me they do you by myself after you want rest. Your children when they never grow, shebi they don't grow me time. The time when me and you get case, your children never know wetin be, wetin happen. Then no, don't worry. Even the children, they will hear this matter. Now from my mouth, they go hear am o. Make them know the useless grandmother when they get.